AI is absolutely everywhere, but the big question that we need to ask ourselves as business owners and entrepreneurs is, do you need it for your business? And in this video, I'm breaking down 3 specific reasons why I believe it's absolutely essential for every single business. So recently, with the rise of AI, we've seen that billions of dollars have been invested into AI infrastructures, AI operations. But what I found interestingly is that only 3.8% of small businesses are using it effectively. So let's dive into exactly how AI can help your business thrive. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sabila Mushesh, and I myself am trying to learn more about these AI solutions, more specifically AI infrastructures and operations that can help solo businesses and other small local businesses. I've been focusing on learning from NVIDIA's course. They have a course that I'll link down below that you guys can check out. But without further ado, let's get straight into the first reason why I do believe it can help every type of business. What I like is that AI isn't just for huge tech giants that you see all across Silicon Valley and in America, but it can be used for online businesses in the form of automating customer support, improve marketing, and also increase conversions. It can also be used for brick and mortar stores. They can actually use AI-powered analytics to optimize pricing and inventory. And what I really like is that for service-based businesses, which is what most beginners start off with, it can help you automate bookings, customer interactions, and even client outreach. As a beginner, what I really like is that you can actually use these AI tools to help you generate more leads, increase your conversions and sales, and ultimately help you increase your workflows. And for a second, I want to just take you guys through how exactly AI is being transformed across different industries, more specifically the healthcare industry, the financial industry, and also the automotive industry. Let's take the healthcare industry, for example. We know that AI is revolutionizing drug discovery, whether it's medical devices or even real-time cancer cell analysis. So for further explanation, for example, AI models biological systems to study diseases and find new drug targets. In terms of lab automation, sensors and robotics help with high throughput screening and drug formulation. And what I found interesting is that in silico drug discovery, AI predicts molecule structures and enhances virtual screening. In terms of the financial industry, banks can actually use fraud detection, they can use robo-advisors, and they can also offer virtual financial advice. More examples include robo-advisors managing investment portfolios using advanced algorithms. In terms of security, intelligent video analysis can be used to detect threats at ATMs in real time. In terms of fraud detection, AI-driven deep learning improves accuracy and sends real-time alerts. In terms of the automotive industry, automakers can actually use AI to design visualizations, engineering simulations, and also autonomous driving. So with all that being said, it's cool that we can see that AI is being used across many different industries, but it still brings up the question, why is it that so many small businesses are still struggling to integrate AI into their existing workflows? And there are 2 main reasons for this. Very first reason is to do with data infrastructure, and the second reason is to do with technical talent. Now let's talk about data infrastructure. Put it this way, AI in itself needs lots of data to function effectively. And think about it even further. If you don't have the right infrastructure in place, it's very hard for AI to reach its full potential within your business. AI can enhance data collection by organizing and analyzing things like customer reviews, company reports, and even public web pages. So for example, AI can actually analyze customer feedback and suggest product improvements based on real data. And secondly, let's talk about technical talent. So learning AI in itself requires some level of expertise. It's the reason why I'm trying to learn about it now through doing like an NVIDIA course on AI infrastructures and operations. It's because I'm trying to immerse myself within this world and learn about the different workflows and different ways in which I can integrate AI infrastructures in small and local businesses. So to some level, actually to a large level, you still need quite a bit of technical knowledge. Now, businesses have 2 main options when this is the case. The first option is that they can either have an internal AI team or they can have an external AI team. So to briefly touch on internal AI teams, I think this is quite beautiful because I really like the idea of having your own lean operation and having a team that you can really work back and forth with. And the beauty of this is that you can have long-term commitment, and it also reduces costs in the long run because you're not having to constantly look for different AI experts and constantly having to hire and fire different people within your team. But with external AI vendors, you can have quick implementation implementation with lower initial investments. But think about it this way, it's going to be higher long-term costs because now you constantly having to vet different vendors and just to make sure that they can actually understand your business in depth. So the key takeaway here is to actually invest in proper AI infrastructures for your business to just ensure that your workflows are seamless and that you can actually have a positive return on your investment. The third reason why businesses need AI is definitely centered around automation, and this is one of my personal favorite topics. When I mean automation, something as simple as customer support, right? So business owners can incorporate AI chatbots to handle different customer inquiries 24/7, and this can reduce the need for full-time support staff. And I've used various amounts of CRMs myself, such as Close, HubSpot, and Go High Level. And my personal favorite is actually Close, just because of how user-friendly it is to use. And if you are a sales manager and you're managing a sales team, it's a lot easier to see exactly who exactly has been inputting specific metrics and who's been hitting their KPIs. It's just a lot easier to manage like that whole workflow. And business owners can use AI-driven CRM tools to help follow up with leads or even something as simple as personalized outreach, and then you can then close more deals later down the line. In terms of operations, AI can help streamline workflows, boost efficiency, and help drive more revenue to a business. And in terms of generative AI in businesses, right, AI in itself is reshaping industries with natural language processes, content creation, and multimodal intelligence. So for example, companies use AI generated content for blogs, for ads, and customer interactions. I personally don't like this to a large extent just because I do prefer personalized content and I like to see the individual themselves. But something as simple as chatbots as well, AI powered assistants can provide personalized responses and automate customer support. And as an example, an AI-powered chatbot can handle up to 80% of customer questions. And think about it logically, right? This frees up your time as a business owner, your team's time, and helps you guys focus on higher value tasks. I like this because then it gives me as a business owner time to focus on different things like marketing and sales that can help drive the business even forward. And with all that being said, I actually don't think it's optional now for businesses not to incorporate some sort of AI into their existing workflows or into their operations, which is why I'm taking the time myself to learn about how exactly can AI infrastructures and operations be incorporated into businesses. And more specifically, I'm looking in the solar industry and the retail industry. I'm really interested to see how exactly can we use AI chatbots or AI operations to help drive more leads to a business, help convert those leads into paying customers and so forth. There's a lot to explore, and the reason why this is my first video is because all of these concepts are still fairly new to me. So if you are an expert, we don't judge. I'm still learning step by step, and what I really want to do is take you guys along with me. So each week I'll be sharing my lessons learned from taking the course itself, and also sharing some real world experience as to how exactly I'm trying to incorporate these workflows and these AI infrastructures and operations within small businesses. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the journey, and I hope that if you are a business owner or an entrepreneur, that you are also seeking ways to try and integrate AI into your existing business and learn from other people as well, learn from other businesses as well, speak to different business owners and ask them how exactly are they incorporating AI into their existing workflows. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Again, my name is Sabelo Moshesh, and I hope to take you guys along with me. Take care.